Welcome friends, this is third video on numericals on source transformation. This numerical was asked in winter 17 for 6 marks. The statement goes like this: using source transformation, convert the given circuit in figure 1a to a single source in parallel with single element. Let us apply the steps. Step 1, as per rule number 8, which is given, ideal voltage source 10 volt and ideal current source 6 ampere connected in series replaces dummy element 10 volt and keeps current source 6 ampere present. So you have to remove that 10 volt voltage source from the circuit. You have to keep 6 ampere current source present in the network. So when you do that, you get this given network where you find 6 ampere ideal current source get in parallel 10 ampere ideal current source. Okay. Now step number 2. In step number 2, convert this voltage source 30 volt 50 ohm 5 ohm into a current source. So the equation which is used is current equal to voltage upon resistance, which gives you 6 ampere and internal resistance of 5 ohm. So that internal resistance of 5 ohm get in parallel with the current source of 6 ampere. Now in this circuit you will find 3 current sources directed towards the terminal, like the direction for all the 3 currents is same, 6 ampere, 10 ampere and 6 ampere. So by using KCL, Kirchhoff's current law, you will get the addition of the 3 currents. So this is what the conversion from voltage source to current source indicated by yellow line. But now what you have to do, you have to convert parallel current sources of 6 ampere 5 ohm, 10 ampere and 6 ampere into a single current source. So those 3 currents you have to add using KCL. So you get current is equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3 as equal to 22 ampere with the internal resistance 5 ohm. So you get a new circuit. Here now 5 ohm is in parallel with 22 ampere, having inductor connected as J2 ohm. So this is what the current source of 22 ampere. So now step number 4, convert current source, yes, indicated by blue line, 22 ampere 5 ohm into a voltage source. While doing that, the value of the voltage can be calculated by using Ohm's law, current into resistance, which gives you 110 volt with the internal resistance of 5 ohm. So the next circuit is 5 ohm get connected in series with J2 ohm inductor with the 110 volt voltage source. So this is what the voltage source which is converted from current source indicated by blue line. Now step number 5. Now resistance of 5 ohm and inductance of J2 ohm are connected in series. Okay. So what do you get? You get an impedance of 5 plus J2 ohms. Okay. This is what the new circuit where 110 volt is in series with that impedance of 5 plus J2 ohm. Now last step, convert this voltage source of this particular value, that is 110 volt, and J ohms, that what is that Z ohms, what is that Z ohm? It is 5 plus J2 ohms, right, into a current source. How to get that current value? Current is equal to again same voltage upon resistance, but over here that resistance is nothing but the impedance. So it is 110 volt upon 5 plus J2 ohms, which gives you 19 minus J 7.6 ampere, and the impedance value is 5 plus J ohms. So this is